This is SheetFools. We're creating automations that are going to wreak havoc on your spreadsheets, your colleagues' spreadsheets, your friends, your bosses. Today we're going to flip the header upside down, go over to extensions, app script, and once you're open, we have our function on open already. We're going to use it there, but we're going to need to create a new function flip header. And here we need a variable sheet equals spreadsheet app.getActive. We need the variable header equals sheet.getRange. 1, 1, 1, sheet dot get max columns. We're going to need a set of rotation equals 1, and now header dot set text rotation. So we could put just 180 right there, but we could also put it as a variable. If you're looking for these kinds of app scripts, you want to copy and paste them, use them in your sheet, make sure to check out bettersheets.co/sheetfools. You can get all of these automations directly in your Google Drive. Download for free to your Google Drive right away. Back to our SheetFool flip header. We need to put this flip header inside of our onOpen, save it, and then when we refresh the sheet, well, actually one thing before we do that, I'm going to center all of these because the flipping does rotate a little weird, but I'm going to center them all. Now I'm going to refresh the sheet, and now everything is upside down in the header row. Hope you enjoyed this and hope you love an upside down header. Subscribe today, or just go grab these automations, all of them. We got some more coming up, and we have some awesome stuff that we already did in those videos. Check out the other videos with SheetFools here on Better Sheets on YouTube.